In this video, I'll show you how to make an I-cord on a circular knitting machine. It can be any number of pins circular knitting machine. You just need to work on the tube setting of your machine and you need to cast on 3 stitches. It can be any 3 stitches that you want. So we cast on 1 in the front, 1 in the back, 1 in the front. So 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. And now we don't feed the yarn, the working yarn, through the yarn guide or the tension holder. Instead, we hold the yarn with our left hand and we navigate the yarn manually through these 3 pins as we knit them. Okay, so we rotate the handle, holding our working yarn until we go back around in the first pin. Okay, so the first pin has popped up right now, so we need to knit. We bring the yarn manually behind these 3 working pins and we knit the first stitch, the second and the third, like this. Okay, so we rotate the handle again until we come back around to the first stitch, like this. Bring the yarn from behind and we knit these stitches. The first few rows are a little bit trickier, and then it becomes easier as the I-cord grows. Okay, so you continue like this until you have the desired length that you need. And your I-cord will look like this.